boy. No,
Go.
I'm not going in.
Nick, it's fine. It's gonna warm up once you get in it.
Okay.
Come on, I've already went up to my knees.
Go up to your knees. It gets warmer the deeper you go in.
No.
Push him in.
Nick, if I go in, will you go in? Wait, stay here for eye count, okay?
Okay.
I'm not going in.
No, don't.
That's not even cold.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, then tip your head again.
Yeah, dip your head in.
Okay, I'll
All the way. Ugh, that candy tastes gross.
Dip your head in.
All the way.
Derek,
All the way. You're getting baptized.
put your head down too.
All the way. Here, I'll help you.
There you go.
Look at me. Look.
There you go.
Put more water in. Do it again.
No.
You guys are crazy.